So we are going to prove that A is greater than B. It implies minus A is less than minus B for all A, B belongs to capital R, where A and B belongs to the real number set. A is greater than 0. It implies 1 over A is also greater than 0 for all A belongs to the set of real numbers. Now third is A is less than 0. It implies 1 over A is less than 0 for all A belongs to real number set. Fourth is A is greater than B. C is less than 0. It implies A dot C is less than for all A, B, C belongs to the set of reals. Okay, and the fifth one is A is less than B, greater than 0, A dot C less than B dot C for all A, B, C belongs to the set of reals. Now we are going to prove the first result, where it says if A is greater than B, it implies the negative of both, get the result negative. Yeah, we can say that it is opposite result. Now the proof is, we start with the given that A is greater than B. Therefore, A minus B is greater than 0. As we have already studied in order relation in capital R, that it is possible only if A is greater than B, then we say A minus B, the subtraction is greater than 0. That is, it is positive. Okay? Now, minus B minus of minus A, which is equal to minus B plus A, which is again equal to A minus B, and it will always greater than 0. ये क्यों आया? Because of the first one, the first condition. We have to prove that minus A is minus B. तो इसको प्रूव करने के लिए, to prove this condition, we have to show that minus B, the difference between minus B and minus A should be greater than 0. जैसे यहाँ पर केस था A is greater than B, तो हमें ये ऑटोमेटिक रिजल्ट मिलता है कि A minus B is greater than 0. ठीक है? If this possible, then this will be the case. If this possible, then this will be the case. To prove minus A is less than minus B, हमें ये prove करना है. Then, if we are able to show that the difference between minus A and minus B is greater than 0, then hence the result. तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है कि अगर हम ये चीज़ प्रूव कर दें कि माइनस बी और माइनस ए के बीच का डिफरेंस 0 से बड़ा है, देन वी कैन से कि आपके पास रिजल्ट ट्रू है. देयरफॉर वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हेयर. जो चीज़ प्रूव करनी है, वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हेयर. माइनस बी माइनस ऑफ माइनस ए इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी minus minus plus A, the basic results, basic properties we have studied in our lower classes. A minus B greater than 0. ये कैसे आया? Because of 1. We have started from here and we get the result, and therefore minus B is greater than minus A, which implies minus A minus B. Most of the students get confused about how to start, from where to start, कहाँ से शुरू करें, कैसे प्रूव करें. एंड दिस इज़ द वेरी इजी थिंग कि जो चीज़ आपको प्रूव करनी है, यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर एंड वी यूज द रिजल्ट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सिमिलरली इन द सेकेंड केस, लेट A is greater than 0, therefore A is not equal to 0 because it is given कि आपके पास strictly greater than 0. यहाँ equal to कोई साइन नहीं है. There is no equal to sign here, so we have A is not equal to 0, and hence 1 over A exists. If it exists, so if possible, we suppose that 1 over a is not equal to not greater than 0, not greater than 0, क्योंकि हमें प्रूव करना है कि it is greater than 0, so we prove it by contradiction. तो if 1 over a is not greater than 0, it implies either 1 over a is equal to 0 और 1 over a is less than 0. दो केसेस हमारे पास अराइज करते हैं, या तो 1 over a 0 के बराबर होगा या लेस देन 0 होगा, बिकॉज वी हैव सपोज दैट 1 over a कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, विच इम्प्लाइज ईदर after multiplying a is a positive number, so after multiplying with the positive number there will be no change in the order of the equation. तो आपके पास यहाँ पर बनेगी equation 1 over a is equals to 0, तो a dot 1 over a is equals to 0, or for the second case there will be no change in the sign, which implies either 1 equal to 0 or 1 is less than 0, because after cancelling a from both sides we have this one. So this is not possible, which is not possible. So therefore our assumption is wrong. Hence 1 over a is greater than 0. Hence the result we have started from there. use this result to prove contradiction suppose करी, और supposition के बाद हमारे पास ये result आ गया. The second question, that is, we have given a is less than 0, and to prove by using this result a is less than 0, 1 over a is always less than 0 for all a belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, to prove this, let we start from a less than 0. It implies minus a is greater than 0. ये क्यों आया? Because we know that a is less than 0. इसका मतलब क्या है, जैसे if we say minus 2 is less than 0, then minus of minus 2, what will be the result? 2, and it is always greater than 0. ठीक है. Similarly अगर हम इसे एक और एग्जाम्पल देखें, minus 5 is always less than 0, and minus of minus 5 give the result positive 5, which is greater than 0. Okay, minus a is greater than 0, चाहे if a is less than 0, अगर ऐसा होता है तो minus a is greater than 0. And using this result we can write it as if minus a is greater than 0. ये हमने लिखा. तो इससे पहले का रिजल्ट क्या प्रूव किया है? if a is greater than 0, 1 over a is always greater than 0. तो आपके पास क्या आएगा? 1 over minus a is always greater than 0, which implies 1 over a is less than 0. Okay, the fourth condition is here, जो आपके पास रिजल्ट था प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या है, if a is greater than b, c is less than 0, then to prove is a dot c is less than b dot c for all a b c belongs to r. This is to prove. Okay, तो आपके पास प्रूविंग में क्या आ रहा है? We have a is greater than b, c is less than 0, which implies a is greater than b. जो हमने रिजल्ट इससे पहले यूज किया है, द रिजल्ट वी हैव यूज्ड अर्लियर, c इज लेस देन 0, इट इम्प्लाइज माइनस c इज ग्रेटर देन 0. यहाँ पर हमने प्रूव किया था ना, a इज लेस देन 0 देन माइनस a इज ग्रेटर देन 0. वही चीज हम यहाँ प्रूव करेंगे, यहाँ यूज करेंगे c इज लेस देन 0, माइनस c इज ग्रेटर देन 0, विच इम्प्लाइज a, क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, तो इसमें हमारे पास कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा, तो हमने वही नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इज पॉजिटिव नंबर. नाउ माइनस सी इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर बिकॉज सी इज लेस देन 0. सी इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर, तो माइनस सी उसका ऑपोजिट होगा एंड दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव नंबर. तो देयरफॉर पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बोथ साइड्स ऑफ एन एनी इनइक्वालिटी, तो आपके पास क्या आ जाता है, माइनस. ठीक है.